Hello dear viewers, this is ERi-TV English news broadcast for this hour. I'm your reporter Bersaba Takhla, and following are the major headlines for today. Call made for integrated effort to control locust prevalence. Soil and water conservation activities in Nafa and Mo'al subzones. Wildfires in Algeria. And southern Turkey rocked by magnitude 5.5 earthquake. On your local reports, the Ministry of Agriculture indicating that the limited rainfall at the eastern escarpments has created conducive conditions for desert locust breeding, called on all concerned institutions and especially farmers to carry out coordinated surveillance. The ministry also called on administrations, the public and members of the defense forces in coordination with experts to conduct regular surveys and follow-ups, noting that the desert locust that is detected in limited areas may get the opportunity to develop its breeding capacity and gradually spread to the highlands and eastern escarpments. The ministry expressed the need for coordinated and effective efforts to put it under control. Likewise, the desert locust that was detected last week at the Gaden Ala administrative area was put under control through an integrated effort by agricultural experts, administrations and the public. Mr. Yamana Averra, administrator of the Amhara subzone, called on the public in general and farmers in particular to immediately report if they observe the prevalence of desert locust in their areas. On your last local report, the residents of the administrative area of Mo'al and Nafa town have carried out extensive soil and water conservation activities. The objective of the campaign that has been carried out since May was to control soil erosion, to redress the environment and thereby boost agricultural production. The coordinators of the programs indicated that 500 people were taking part in the program daily. Mr. Usman Jabir, representative of the Ministry of Agriculture, said that the residents have constructed 5 kilometers of terraces and a number of water diversion schemes on the reserved lands. In the same vein, youth workers and members of the Officers Training Center in Nafa subzone conducted a popular campaign at the Martyrs Cemetery. The popular campaign included tree cultivation, trench renovation and construction of terraces. Dear viewers, still to come here on ERi-TV is your international reports after the short break. Welcome back. According to an updated released yesterday, the Interior Ministry reported that the death toll from wildfires, which continue to rage in northern Algeria, has risen to 34, including 10 soldiers. The ministry said some 8,000 people were working to battle the blazes across multiple provinces, supported by over 500 fire trucks and several firefighting helicopters. By late Monday, nearly 100 fires have been reported in forests across the country, bringing the number of fatalities from 15 earlier in the day up to 34. The fires started overnight on Sunday, mainly in the northern provinces of Béjaïa, Jijel and Bouira, but quickly spread due to strong winds, causing significant damage. Locals described how they were left helpless as the ferocious fire spread rapidly, reducing many homes to rubble and causing colossal damage across the country. On your final report, a magnitude 5.5 earthquake shook the southern Turkish province of Adana, striking just under 6 months after the devastating quakes that killed more than 50,000 people in Turkey and Syria. The Kandili Earthquake Monitoring Center in Istanbul said the quake occurred at 8 a.m. today. Its epicenter was in the district of Kozan, about 64 kilometers from the city of Adana and located near the Syrian border. The European Mediterranean Seismological Center said the earthquake was at a depth of 12 kilometers. No injuries or damage have been reported so far. Seismologicals estimate the earthquake of a magnitude between 5.4 and 6.0 can cause slight damage to well-designed buildings and potentially major damage to poorly constructed buildings over small regions. You're still watching us on ERi-TV, dear viewers, and now a quick recap of the major headlines. Call made for integrated effort to control locust prevalence. Soil and water conservation activities in Nafa and Maal subzones. Wildfires in Algeria. And southern Turkey rocked by magnitude 5.5 earthquake. Dear viewers, that was it for today. Thanks for watching.